What's going on, guys? Anastasio here with FlytPath.com, and now a couple more accessories are starting to hit the shelves. This is a DJI Mavic Mini charging base. Now, when this thing released, and a lot of people saw it on the website, it was like, what is that dome thing? You know, is it really just like a display case? And it looks like it is, as well as you're able to charge your Mavic Mini while it sits in here. So let's open this up and set it all up. And if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Anastasio. I do a lot of drone tech tips, tutorials, and product reviews right here on this channel. So if that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing and also hitting that bell to be notified when I post new videos. Here we go. On the front of the box, you just have a photo of the Mavic on the charging base or inside the charging base. On the side here, it looks like this is also developed by a company called Telesin. Now, I'm actually familiar with Telesin because they have a bunch of kind of unique chargers for your action cameras as well as your regular cameras, like my Sony 6400. They have a couple of kind of unique products, so make sure you check out Telesin. And then on the back here, just some information about what it is, as well as what comes inside the box. Looks like we have three different things. We have the bell, we have the charging base, as well as the MicroUSB adapter that you're going to use, I think, to plug into the bottom of your Mavic Minis. Right, first things first. So, has little instructions on what to do. It comes like a little bag, so how about that? Let's lift it out of the bag so that we don't lose anything. I almost don't want to like get fingerprints on it. Let me use this. Oh, there you go. So there's a little sticker here, so I was trying to take off the plastic, but you can't. There you go. So it's just a little, just a little dome, a little plastic dome. Has like a smoky kind of tint to it. So it's like a little light gray, smoky tint on this plastic piece right here. Feels like it's a pretty heavy base. As you can see, there's one button on the front with a micro USB plug, rubber feet on the bottom there so it doesn't slide off of your table. And then on the top, you have the base where the Mavic Mini is gonna sit on. And I believe that this is removable. Yeah, so it's a micro USB magnetic little adapter that goes onto the base here. So you're actually not gonna put the drone directly on it like that. You actually wanna take the adapter off, put the adapter into the Mavic Mini first, the bottom of the Mavic Mini where the micro USB is. So now that I plugged it in, it is charging the Mavic Mini, and it seems like it is charging pretty fast, so it is using the fast charger. As you can see here, it's turning on and off. And then that's it. I think we just put this on it, and voila, we have our mini display. And if I want to, I guess, make it look cool, that's it. And there you go. Your little Mavic Mini display might look pretty cool just sitting on your desk. So if you do fly, you're able to charge the internal battery through here. But the only thing is you still only have the one cable. It would have been nice if they added an additional cable, I guess, but you probably have to pay a little more because now if you want to charge all your batteries and you still want to use a factory DJI cable and the power brick, you're going to need to now unplug it from here. It's just kind of like a Mavic display case. If you want to keep this on your table, it looks kind of cool, like a little art piece that's just kind of posted up on your table or wherever you want to put it. I definitely would probably want to pick up another charging brick and cable, have it dedicated for this one. That way you're not unplugging this and plugging it into your hub and back and forth, so that this kind of just stays nice and pretty. And of course, I'll leave links to this product. I think it's about 39 bucks on the DJI website right now. And I think, let me see if they have links for the extra cord and power brick. That way you might have a separate one. But I think it's like 39 bucks for a display. Definitely would probably get another cord just to have it dedicated. That way you're not swapping out with your hub. But pretty cool. I mean, it is like a piece of art, so there you go. Now display your piece of art when you're done flying. And there it is, guys. I hope you guys got some value from this video. And if you did, a big thumbs up would be much appreciated. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when I post new videos. This is Anastasio with FlytPath.com. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.